And there's my white off of Smelter's 720. My little Shirella and Mr. Matten baby. There's two of the new Judy Hartman rails. Just got from Kirby yesterday. November 29th. We're all doing great. Love the new purchase. Here's my new. Let me see if I can get this off. Let me see. I'll go outside. My new Belgium speed traps. Right there. I got them closed. But they're nice. You're all in it bathing. Perfect day. November 30th, 2011, and it's 65 degrees out. I don't think we'll get in winter this year. Alright, that's it.